Eating a diet with the right number of calories and amount of fat is an important part of taking care of your heart, and some foods are particularly beneficial in this regard because of their nutrient profiles. Reduction in the risk of developing cardiovascular disease takes one of the leading positions. Cardiovascular disease is a condition that affects an individual's heart and blood vessels. Nuts. Nuts are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and several vitamins and minerals. If consumed in moderation, they can be an ideal high-energy snack. Nuts may help lower the LDL or bad cholesterol in our bodies. Some of the healthiest nuts include walnuts, almonds, hazelnuts, and pecans. Fish. Consuming fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids helps boost overall cardiovascular health. It is recommended to consume at least 2 servings of fish per week. Fish rich in omega-3 include salmon, sardines, trout, mackerel, herring, and tuna. Seeds. Seeds are rich in fiber, monounsaturated fatty acids, and vitamin E and help promote heart health. Chia seeds and flax seeds are known for their omega-3 fatty acid content if consumed in adequate portions. Whole grains. Including whole grains in your diet has numerous health benefits, including lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes and obesity, and improving blood cholesterol levels. Salmon. One 2012 analysis of studies found that as little as 0.45 to 4.5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, about 3 ounces of salmon, can bring about significant improvement to arterial function. Berries. Adding berries to your diet is an excellent way to keep your heart healthy, as they are chock full of antioxidants and heart-healthy phytonutrients. Veggies. Some must-have greens like spinach, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are essential in promoting heart health. Apart from the fiber content of the vegetables, they also contain nutrients like potassium, folate, vitamin C, and magnesium, which ensure healthy overall functioning. Fruits. Fruits like oranges and grapefruit contain large amounts of vitamin C, which is a powerful dietary antioxidant. Avocados, although high in calories, are loaded with good fats that help cholesterol levels. Dark chocolate. The cocoa used in the preparation of chocolate is rich in plant compounds called flavonoids, which have been shown in studies to have beneficial effects on heart disease. Red wine. A substance called resveratrol present in red wine has been found to be the key ingredient in reducing the overall risk of cardiovascular disease. The antioxidants present in red wine may help increase the HDL cholesterol, or the good cholesterol, in our body.